Hey everybody, this is your buddy, your pal, London Hawthorne, and I'm here with yet another unboxing. Today, we have an Amazon Prime unboxing from Lexington, Kentucky. As always, thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, please share, check out some of my other ones. If you want to help support my channel, you can cash at me at London Hawthorne. I'm not sponsored by any product in here, but I would love to be. If you have a cool product you want me to do an unboxing of and you want to send me it, holler at your boy. I'm hoping everyone's having a great holiday season. Please be safe out there. This is a recommended lotion. I work in a very cold environment every day, and I lift heavy weights. I lift corrugated boxes, and I lift weights at the gym, and my hands get super dry, and I live in the Midwest, so I was recommended this CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion for normal to dry skin. Moisturizes and helps restore the protective skin barrier with 3 essential ceramides and hyaluronic acid. Lightweight. I don't know. Maybe I shouldn't have gone lightweight. I don't know. Lightweight and oil-free. I don't know what that means. But I will be applying this to my hands off video. I appreciate everyone watching my videos. Please subscribe, please share, and check out some of my other thousands of unboxings. If you want to help support my channel, hit the notification bell, subscribe, check out my other thousands of videos. If you like cool t-shirts, go to riptapparel.com or onceuponat.net. Find your shirts of choice. Save $3 or more off every single shirt if you use my username, London Hawthorne, when you're checking out. I wish you the best. Have a great one.